Oh, Jesus. Ow. Hi. Why did it sound like that? Hi. Hello. Today I want to take an aesthetic picture, or, you know, just a good one in general. My goal for today is to look like artsy and fresh, like one of those TikTok girls where you're just like, how the f do you look like that? Like, that makes no sense in my brain, but okay. How to wear these without looking 5 years old? I don't know. Just gonna zoom in a little bit here because I'm doing my brows. I honestly wish I could talk to you while I do this, but I really just can't. I thought I was gonna be able to do it, but I can't. It's just the amount of concentration this requires is just like too much for my brain. As you can see, I painted my room because I'm literally in the middle of a room makeover, so I painted my room. I'm getting new bed sheets and a couple new like furniture pieces and plants and whatnot, and I'm making a video out of it. So at the moment things are looking a bit bare in here, hence my purse wall is just not. My walls are bare and white, so I'm just gonna take advantage of that and take some pictures in here today. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me on my picture taking journey because that is always just like ridiculous. It's sweaty and it's not glamorous at all because I don't know what's wrong with me. I get so hot. I take the same picture like 100 times and then I regret it every single time because I try to pick through the same picture, but there's like 100 of them that are slightly different and it just takes me so long and it's ridiculous. So I'm gonna try to stop doing that. January was really freaking crazy for me. I feel like it was so not how I wanted it to go and it felt like a whole year went by, but I'm happy that it's February and it's just like a new start. But I mean, like, I got a lot of stuff done. I cleaned out my closet and started selling clothes, and I painted my room, and I got off of birth control since there's you guys who like keep up with my uterus. So for those of you guys who want to know, I'm off of birth control and my skin has miraculously cleared up, which like, wow, who would have thought? So that's been going good, my acne journey and whatnot. I still have my piercing keloid though, that I'm probably just gonna take this hoop out because it's just driving me crazy having that red bump there. But there's just like a tiny little issue. You know how like this is a hoop, right? And there's like a little gap so you can get it in. Well, the way my brain is set up, I didn't pay attention to it. So the gap healed inside of my nose. So like it's just all hoop, and the like here's my nose and here's the hoop. There's the gap, like that. Nose, gap, hoop, bam. So the only way I could take it out is if someone or me, but I already tried and it hurts a lot, pulls it apart. That just sounds absolutely terrifying and I don't think I'm ready for that. I also feel very attached to my hoop and I 1,100% regret taking it out, like taking my stud out and replacing it with a hoop, because the stud was so cute and having a hoop has made my hole like drag down, so I can't put the stud back in because it won't be in the same place that it was before. So yeah, I just created a whole issue for myself and now I want to cry because I'm also low-key attached to this hoop. So when I take it out, I'm just gonna be like, wow, I'm so ugly, but I'm not ugly because I'm beautiful and I don't talk to myself in a mean way. There is just so much I want to do with my life, and I am just such a fatigued and sleepy person. I went to the doctor and the doctor said I had almost like no vitamin D3 in my system at all, which is crazy because you know, you need that, and my levels were like extremely low. So now I'm on this like super mega monster vitamin D pill that's like so strong that you only take it once a week, every week. But I'm starting to eat better and work out more and just do like healthier things so I can be more not tired and just get all of the fatigue out of my system. And I'm trying to take my vitamins and do all that good stuff because there's so much I want to do, and I'm just like, am I the only, I know I'm not the only person on the planet who's just like perpetually tired, but I feel like nobody talks about that. So I feel very alone in this weird, sleepy, can't get up state, but I still do things. I do a lot of things, so I'm just like, but I think overthinking is the enemy in life, so I'm just gonna try to get out of my head more. That is like one of my goals for this month, is to just not be so in my head and just start doing, and that's it, because that's how you learn in life and that's how you get places, is by taking action. Operation Raimi gets out of her head for once commenced. I think part of what made me get so stuck in my head is like the judgment aspect of YouTube, and I'm someone who never ever cares about what anybody has to say to me. I just don't care anymore. But something about YouTube and how people just like comment literally anything, just bashing you, is the craziest thing. So since I have like such a caring nature, when I'm feeling like really down and vulnerable and then I see like a flood of comments come in about like how I look or like my content and how it sucks and all this stuff, my brain just goes and I start overthinking everything, and I'm like, what should I post? Maybe I should only make trendy videos, maybe I should only do this or that, or no one's gonna watch this, and I shouldn't do these things anymore because it's gonna be boring, and blah 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 blah. What the hell? So I think that in January I got really sad and confused in my own head about what the heck I'm doing and like if people even like it, and I'm here to say that I'm over that. So long story short, I'm just here to give a big fat one of these to the hate comments that made me spiral last month, and I'm just gonna be myself and continue as usual, but with like different content, so, and sort of the same content, just being myself. We're good. So you guys know how in my last video I got rid of a bunch of clothes in my closet clean out, right? And I was just like, haha, I'm just gonna buy a bunch of new clothes. Well, I was, you know, searching online looking for my new outfits for my new wardrobe, and why are clothes so expensive? Like, what in the world? Everything I like is like a dress $40 or a shirt $30, and I'm like, when did this happen? Something to know about me is I'm a really big saver. I love to be like prepared and save for things. Currently, I am saving all of my coins for an apartment with Zach, and I've been doing really well at saving, and I have the money to buy new clothes, but at the same time, like in my brain, I'm like, haha, once you buy clothes, your car is gonna break down and something bad's gonna happen and you're gonna need all the money you just spent on clothes, so don't do it. I don't know why there's someone in my brain telling me that, but that's what's going on right now. But to make everything a little bit better, I'm gonna do a wardrobe revamp, so that'll be fun. I have a bunch of ColourPop gel eyeliners, and I have this teal color. It's really pretty, and I don't really know what kind of lines I want to draw on my eyes, but I think I'm just gonna go for it and hope that it goes well.
She's a Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find.
I think I want to make a little cat eye kind of thing in the corners with the same color, so I'm going to try to do that. Just grab a little bit of this bad boy. I feel like a scientist. This is so hard. I kind of like it, but it's a little bit ugly, so I'm really torn. It's a little bit cute, but I don't know. I have never been more conflicted about how I look in my entire life. Here's a close-up of me putting on my favorite mascara because I think my lashes look so good and there's really no other reason. Looking at myself is always really confusing for me because I just have no idea what I look like at all. I feel like I look different every day, and I don't know if there's a name for that, but yeah, it's always really weird. I'm just like, who is that? I'm lining my lips with a lip liner that matches my lips perfectly, and then I'm going in with chapstick just because I want to look like I have naturally big lips but also not wear any lipstick. So this is my go-to combo.
She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Now I'm going to do some last minute touch-ups before I take pictures, which is pat down my T-zone with powder because I'm always glossy in those areas because of flash and my oils. Okay, I'm going to take you with me to take pictures. I think I'm going to do some on my bed and in my mirror and against this wall. So we'll just see which one looks the best. I was going to pick out a whole entire cute outfit, but then I decided I just wanted pics to be from like here to here. So I just changed my black tank top to a gray one. I don't know why, it's just what my brain told me to do. I'm gonna go for a little tinkle break and then it's picture time.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's...
So for mirror pics, I realized it's essential that you have Windex. Somehow my mirror is just so dirty and I don't even touch it. So I'm like, how did that happen? But here we are. Cleaning it. Please no streaks. It's literally all I'm asking for. Okay, we're gonna check the streakiness with my phone. Oh, I think it's good. Okay, you can't even see the streaks on camera, so that's good. All right, mirror pics, here we go. Mirror, mirror. Do I say it weird? Why did I just hear scratching on this wall? Okay, it was just my dog trying to drink out of the toilet. No biggie.
I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day.
These pics aren't coming out cute, so I think I'm gonna resort to flash photography with my other camera because I really need a picture. I am attempting taking pictures against this wall and trying to make them interesting, which is a little hard. Right now I'm just trying to see like what angle and what lighting looks the best because that's always the hardest part. I think maybe I need to bring these lights in. Okay. Maybe like super close up. Oh, that could be good. My hair wasn't cooperating, so I just wet it because maybe it'll look better in pictures if it's wet. So this is like my last resort because this is just not working out, but I have faith, okay? And I will do anything to get a picture. Oh, it's rolling down my forehead. Please. Okay. Okay. It's better. Oh my god, I've been taking pictures for like an hour and a half, I think, and I tried everywhere. I don't know what it is today. I just can't get a good picture. And if I took any good ones, they're probably in the thumbnail or I'll enter them right here.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty.
I love you guys so much. Don't forget to stalk my socials down below. They're mostly all raimi reyes _ besides TikTok, that's just raimi reyes plain. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.